Youngie from Hermes, and welcome back to my garage. We're going to do some detailing of bikes tonight, show you a little bit of how to clean up your own bike at home, and remember, you can buy the chemicals out of Hermes. All right, these are the products we'll be using today. We'll start over here on the left. We have chain brush, a good chain cleaner, and some good chain lube. Next, you have a bug pad, some Muc-off motorcycle cleaner, and a good wash mitt. Finally, to shine it all up, we have some Protect-All, some detail spray, and a nice soft wax rag. For the windshield or your helmet visor, I use Plexus and a really soft towel. Well, see, I'm all ready to go. I got my chain brush and my chain cleaner here, and I can't work under these conditions. Oh, hey, look at that. A chain to clean. Well, that was easy. Now that we're done that, where'd that dirty GS go? I always like to start with a good brush and Muc-off cycle cleaner. Start on the wheels and the lower parts of the bike first, the real grimy bits first. So let's get started. Now, just like when you're shampooing your hair, rinse and repeat is necessary. Once you've rinsed the bike off, you get everything all good and wet, get your bug pad out, spray all of the Muc-off right on the bug pad, and then you can spray a little on the front of the bike here. Any of the bugs on the front, go ahead and scrub them off. Just be real gentle when you're working with your windshield so you don't scratch it. Just real. Now we're all rinsed off, got all the lower parts done and cleaned off the bugs and stuff off the front. Grab your wash bucket and your wash mitt and get scrubbing. And now we're going to blow dry the bike, get all that water off. Now we use a little Plexus on the windshield. Helps to prevent it from scratching, and it also is a really nice protectant to make it easier to get the bugs off the next time. Now we use a little detail spray on any of the plastic bits. The only thing I don't like to get it on is tires and brakes. Just a little bit is all you need. Last thing is Protect-All. You spray it on any of the painted surfaces, and while you're doing it, you can wipe off a little of the excess detail spray if you got any on the painted surfaces. Nice thing about this is, unlike regular waxes, if you get a little on the seat or you get a little on the trim, it's not going to leave that nasty white residue. I even like to use the Protect-All right on the rim. Not only does it clean off any residue or anything that you left behind, but it makes it easier the next time you wash your bike to get the grime off. Well, thanks for watching the video. And as you can see, with a little time-lapse photography and the right chemicals, it goes really quick and easy, right? Hey, if you need to buy these chemicals, stop out at Hermes, talk to me. I can get you all the chemicals to get you out there detailing your own bike, get your bike shined up just as nice. So for now, let's sit around the garage and enjoy just soaking in all the clean bikes here. Who am I kidding? Where's my gear? Let's go riding.